Alrighty, welcome back everybody. So today we are talking about some of the things that you might not be aware of that your homeowner's insurance will cover besides obviously your home. So we talked to a lot of folks here at the Roberts Insurance Group, a lot of homeowners throughout the state. Many of them are surprised to find out that their homeowner's policy will cover them for a lot more than just damage to your home. And so we're going to be going over a couple of those today. Number one would be your personal property. So your personal property, that would consist of anything. If you were to take your home, pick it up, turn it upside down and shake it, everything that fell out would be considered your personal property. Anything that's not permanently attached to the home, that's covered under your personal property or contents coverage on your homeowner's policy. Those are things that could be covered by your homeowner's policy here in Georgia. Number two would be personal liability. So whether you're getting sued for your dog biting the neighbor's kid, or if someone has a slip and fall at your house, or if you're getting sued for something totally unrelated. If you are being accused of being liable for bodily injury or to another person or to damage to someone else's property, there's a good chance your homeowner's insurance policy and hopefully your umbrella policy, if you have one, will pay for all of your defense costs and any sort of settlement up to the limits on that policy. Number three, and this is somewhat of a new coverage, but it's identity theft. So in today's day and age, this is highly recommended, and this comes as an extra endorsement on your homeowner's policy. So it's something you do have to pay extra for, but it's typically anywhere from $5 to $6 to maybe $25 a year. It's very, very inexpensive, and we highly recommend it, especially in today's day and age when identity theft is such a big issue. Number four, that would be, it's kind of piggybacks off of personal property, but it's theft of items from your car. So a lot of times we will have folks, clients who will, maybe they'll be at the mall, maybe their car will be in a parking garage somewhere, maybe it'll just be parked, somewhere off of their property in a parking lot, whatever the case might be. And their car gets broken into and items get stolen, whether it's a laptop or a watch or sunglasses, whatever the case might be. There is coverage for that under your homeowner's policy as long as theft is not excluded. Obviously subject to your deductible, but this is something that is absolutely covered under your homeowner's policy here in Georgia. And then the last one we're going to talk about today is loss of use coverage. So loss of use coverage, or sometimes it's called additional living expense coverage. It's going to pay for all of your additional living expenses you may have if you ever have to vacate or move out of your home due to a covered claim. So if you have to find another place to rent or get put up in a extended stay motel, put your items in storage, pay for dog boarding, whatever the case might be, the loss of use coverage is going to pay for all those additional costs you might take on. And so this applies whether you're out of your home for a year due to a total loss, or if it's just a few days while repairs are being made and your home is getting back to suitable living conditions. So we could go on and on. There's tons and tons of different coverage available under the homeowners policy forms here in Georgia. We'd love to talk to you about those here at the Roberts Insurance Group. We're located in Canton, Georgia, and we help homeowners throughout the state. Would love to take a look at your homeowners insurance program to see what you guys have, if we might be able to provide you a better value. So give us a call, 678-250-8133.